welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be attempting a braid out. I haven't really tried anything like this on my locks. I haven't done 2-strand twist or braids or anything like that on top of my locks. My locks are getting a little bit longer and I was like, let me start playing around a little bit more. So yeah, I'm gonna try to braid out. It seems to add like some nice volume to the locks. So I'm like, well, let me try it and see how it comes out. So I'll be you all's test dummy and you all can see how it comes out on me, and if you want to try it for yourself. But yeah, keep on watching. I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm gonna just use rose water, try and get the locks pretty damp, and use my oil to make sure they're moisturized and braid them up. And then I'll probably sit under the dryer because it's around like 3 in the afternoon and I don't want my hair to be super soaked or anything like that, which is why I'm starting on dry hair as opposed to doing it right out the shower, because I don't want it to take forever to dry. Okay, so I'm going to start in the back of my head and I'm going to braid starting from the root. I do not have a fresh retwist. I'm about 3.5 weeks out from my retwist, and I usually go through my locks like after I wash when my hair gets all crazy and wrap the hair around the lock. I'll show you. Just like this. But I don't take it all the way up, like I leave the root puffy. But my hair grows all outside of my locks, so I like to try and wrap it around so I can avoid mirroring. And when I say mirroring, I mean like my locks running into each other and trying to join together. So I'll try and do this and stay on top of this when I'm just chilling, or like in the morning when I'm getting ready, or at night. I really will wrap my hair around my locks at any time of the day. I could be driving and I'll do it. I can be watching a movie and I'll do it. I can be just sitting and doing whatever and I'll wrap it around my locks. So I've already oiled and moisturized my hair, so my hair is pretty soft and feeling good, but I will be adding rose water because my hair is not damp enough to like hold a crinkle. So I'll just do that as I go. But I'm going to take my hair, get a little closer. I'm using rubber bands. If this is something that I'm going to continue to do, I probably wouldn't use rubber bands. I might use like some of those little thin scrunchies. I feel like those might be more gentle on my hair because I just don't want to make my ends weak.
Multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you.
At the root, I'm going loose because I just don't want to put too much strain on my roots. And then as soon as I hit my lock, I go tight. But I'm thinking like the tighter I do the braid, the crinklier my lock will be and the more defined. So we'll see.
I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
Okay, so I finished. I feel like if my hair was a little bit longer, this could be cute maybe to rock out. If I had maybe a fresh retwist, it would look a little bit better. I feel like it looks a little crazy from the back because my hair is not freshly retwisted, which is why I probably won't end up wearing it out, but I'll let you guys know how I'm feeling tomorrow. But yeah, stay tuned. So it's the next morning. I sat under the dryer for about an hour last night and let them dry. I wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to wake up with damp hair because I have to get ready for work. So yeah, it's pretty early, still a little puffy. I always wake up in the morning puffy. But alright guys, take this out. Put a little bit of oil on the tips of my fingers and start braiding.
I'm a hiatus. I'm a hiatus. free.